Here's a comprehensive timeline of human evolution, from the earliest known ancestors to modern humans. We'll explore some of the most famous and mysterious species along the way. Welcome to the full timeline of human evolution. 7 to 6 million years ago, Sahelanthropus sudensis, nicknamed Tumi, lived in Chad, Africa. This early potential human ancestor had a small brain, around 350 cc. 6 million years ago, Ornithogonensis, from Kenya, Africa, showed early evidence of bipedal walking. It had a small body and ape-like arms, perfect for climbing trees. 4.4 million years ago, Ardipithecus ramidus, so known as Ardi, was a partially upright walker. Ardi still climbed trees and lived in wooded environments. 4 to 2 million years ago, Australopithecus afarensis, famously represented by Lucy, walked upright. Despite a small brain of 400 to 500 cc, Lucy was still partially arboreal. 2.4 to 1.4 million years ago, Homo habilis, the first known toolmaker, lived in East Africa. Their brain was larger than Australopithecus, around 600 to 700 cc, 1.9 million 110,000 years ago. Homo erectus, the first humans to leave Africa. They were likely the first to use fire, a revolutionary advancement. 700,000 to 200,000 years ago, Homo heidelberg, a likely ancestor of Neanderthals and modern humans. They were skilled hunters, using spears and fire, with brains around 1,200 cc. 400,000 to 40,000 years ago, Homo neanderthalensis, or Neanderthals, lived in Europe and Western Asia. They buried their dead, wore clothing, and made tools, with brains similar to modern humans. 300,000 years ago present, Homo sapiens, modern humans, appeared in Africa. We developed language, art, and culture, spreading globally and interbreeding with other hominids. 250,000 to 335,000 years ago, Homo naledi, discovered in South Africa, had mixed primitive and human-like traits. They had a small brain but may have buried their dead, showing complex behavior. Approximately 146,000 years ago, Homo longi, or dragon man, found in China, had a very large skull and brain. This species is possibly a close relative of modern humans. 65,000 years ago, Homo sapiens made their first ocean crossings, reaching Australia. This demonstrated early planning, coordination, and navigation skills. Approximately 50,000 years ago, Homo floresiensis, the hobbit, lived on Flores Island, Indonesia. Despite their small stature and brains, they used tools and hunted. 40,000 years ago, multiple human species coexisted, including Homo sapiens, Neanderthals, and There's even evidence of interbreeding between these species. Modern-day Homo sapiens is the only surviving human species with a fully global population. Amazing fact. At certain points, up to 4 different human species were alive at the same time. Yet, today, Homo sapiens is the only one left. A truly remarkable journey.